Hey, we're here at Lime Rock Park. I'm not driving today, I rode the bike, but we're here to see some friends. So let's go see some friends. Go fast, do things.
Try.
Hey! Go do fast things.
Yes, sir.
But keep it on the track.
Oh.
That's the key. The sun is setting on the day. That was poetic. Anywho, and I'm home. Whew, long day, a lot of riding. But it was cool to see all of my Instagram friends. Most of you I haven't actually met in person yet, so it was kind of cool to see all my Instagram friends and yeah, watch some racing. So it was a long ride home, about to go in the hot tub. Hit subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday. Big announcement. Stella and I have been chosen to become BlipShift ambassadors. Basically what that means is that you could get torso covering goodies like this FRS shirt, this driver's jacket, or this sweet beanie and use coupon code Apex Hunter for 20% off your first order. So head on over to blipshift.com and like I said, use code Apex Hunter. Now, let's get back to the video.